that there are some sequences which you cannot say that they are AP, or sometimes they are neither GP also. So, but there is a pattern. I show you the example. If I take this example, I hope this is visible to you. So plus 4 into 2 raised to power 4 plus etc. If you see this series, and if you calculate both all the terms, uh, terms will be, if you simplify, 2 and then 8 and then 24 and etc etc. This may not be a GP, may not be even AP. Then how to calculate? But there is a pattern. There is a pattern. I can find out its nth term. Can someone tell me what should be its nth term? Can someone tell me what should be its nth term? Nth term will contain 2 factors. Correct? What should be the second factor? Second factor should be 2 to power something. How much here? 2 raised to power, you can see, and it should be. And the first factor is the nth term of this sequence. What should be the nth term of this sequence? N. So its nth term I can find. So such sequences who may not be necessarily in arithmetic progression or in geometric progression, but their nth term, if we can find their sum also. Then how to find sum? We can do like this, and then some summation formula we use. So before we solve or try to solve the questions, it is good if we note some summation formula, and those formula we will apply. So some summation formulas are there. So let us learn them first. The first formula I have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n, and this we show by summation r. R is running from 1 to n like this, or in simple we write summation n also. It is obvious that n is running from 1 to n, right? This entire series, that 1 plus 2 plus 3, sum of n natural number, first n natural numbers, we denote by the symbol summation r, range from 1 to n. This is said to be index, you can say. This is lower limit, this is upper limit. In short, we will write summation n. And there is a formula for this. You know well. What is the formula, students, for sum of first n natural numbers? We have used also. This formula is
n plus 1 by 2.
Yes, n plus 1 whole upon 2. This is the formula. Now, similarly, if you want to prove it, can someone tell me how to prove it? आपने किया होगा वैसे smaller classes में. Suppose S you write like this, then S, the same thing you can write in reversed order. And you add them, so you'll get 2s is equal to n plus 1, and this 2 will become n plus 1, and in the end also you'll get n plus 1, and because they are n terms, so total there will be n brackets. So finally it will be n times n plus 1, and s will become n plus 1 by 2 whole upon 2. So very easily you can prove this formula. We'll keep it. Remember that summation of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 whole upon 2. Okay, you can note it, you can learn it. The second one is summation of first squares of first n natural numbers. This sum is how much? Let us try to find. So this sum is denoted by sigma r square or sigma n square, and this is given by, I'm writing directly, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole upon 6. Okay, So this you can note. And if you want to prove it, what we can do, let us find out r plus 1 whole cube. है ना? Let us find out r plus 1 whole cube. अब क्यों फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं ये आपको समझ आ जाएगा जस्ट प्रूफ के लिए. Then it will be r cube plus 1 plus 3r square plus 3r. Right? So r plus 1 whole cube minus r cube will become 1 plus 3r plus 3r square. Now you put r equal to 1. And this will become 2 cube minus 1 cube equal to 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 3 into 1 square. Then you put r equal to 2, then this will become 3, 2 plus 1, 3 cube minus 2 cube equal to 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2 square. Now you put r equal to 3, then this will become 4 cube minus 3 cube equal to 1 plus 3 into 3 plus 3 into 3 cube, etc., etc., etc. And in the end, you put r equal to n. Then it will become n plus 1 whole cube minus n cube equal to 1 plus 3 into n plus 3 into n cube. No, something error I have done. N square it will become. Right. And now let us add them. Add them, everything. So if you add, what will you get? This 2 cube will get cancelled with this minus 2 cube, 3 cube, minus 3 cube, 4 cube with the next term, and minus n cube with previous term. So what will remain in the left hand side, students? N plus 1 whole cube minus 1, minus 1 is equal to total n terms. So 1 plus 1 n times it will be n plus 3 into summation n, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n. It is summation n plus 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n square. It is nothing but summation n square. And now from this equation, you can get the value of summation n square. So let us try to get. This will become n plus 1 whole cube minus 1 plus, equals to n plus 3n n plus 1 whole upon 2, then plus 3 summation n square. So 3 summation n square will be equal to n plus 1 whole cube minus 3n n plus 1 whole upon 2 minus 1 minus n. So minus bracket n plus 1. आपको visible नहीं है. Minus n plus 1. Yes. And now you can simplify. And if you simplify, this will become 3 summation n square is equal to n plus 1 common. In the bracket, you will get n plus 1 whole square minus 3 by 2n minus 1. And if you simplify, this will become n plus 1 into n square plus 2n plus 1 minus 3n by 2 minus 1. And this will become n plus 1. And if I take LCM, it will become 2n square plus 4n minus 3n. Okay. Whole by 2. And this is going to be n plus 1, 2n square plus n whole upon 2. This is 3 into summation n square. So summation n square is equal to n common, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 will remain, upon 3 into 2, 6. So a beautiful proof was there. That's why we discussed the proof. Right, students? Interesting proof it is. Of course, you have a way of principle of mathematical induction. That also you can apply to prove this formula. So this will keep remember. And similarly, one more formula that in first formula we wrote 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, है ना? Which let me write at one place. Summation n. It was 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, and it came n into n plus 1 whole upon 2. Keep in mind, the second formula we discussed, sigma n square, which is 1 square plus 2 square up to n square, and it came n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole upon 6. And the third formula is summation n cube, and this is given by 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot 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 plus n cube, and this is equal to n plus 1 whole by 2 whole square. Right, students? Can you suggest that how to prove it? Friends? Huh? How to prove it, friends? You can guess that as for sigma n square, I have taken r plus 1 whole cube. So to prove this formula, let us take r plus 1 whole raised to power 4. This how to get? This will be something like r plus 1 whole square to whole square. Or you can say r square plus 2r plus 1 whole square. Or r raised to power 4 plus 4r square plus 1 plus 2 to the 4r cube plus 4r plus 2r square. You know, a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Correct. And if I write like this, r plus 1 whole to power 4 minus r to power 4 equals to 4r cube plus 4 plus 2, 6r square plus 4r plus 1. And you start putting the values. Let r equal to 1. It will give you 2 to power 4 minus 1 to power 4 equal to 4 into 1 cube plus 6 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus 1. And similarly, if we put r equal to 2, it will be 3 to power 4 minus 2 to power 4 equal to 4 into 2 cube. And wherever r is appearing, I am writing r value 1 and 2, and this will become 6 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus 2. And similarly, if you put r equal to 3, that line can be written, and in the end, you put let r equal to n. Then you'll get n plus 1 whole to power 4 minus n to power 4 is equal to 4 into 2 raised to power n. Am I right? No. क्या आना चाहिए students? Friends, what should I write? Are you following? Then this will become 4 into r की जगह पे मैंने n रख दिया. So n to power 3 plus 6 into n square plus 4 into n plus n. And now you add them all together. And if you add them, what will you get? Some terms will get cancelled. 2 raised to power 4 minus 2 to power 4, 3 to power 4 with the next one, and n to power 4 with the previous one. And you will have n plus 1 whole to power 4 minus 1 is equal to 4 common. And in the bracket, you'll have 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. up to n cube. That will become summation n cube. Plus 6 common, and in the bracket you'll have 1 square plus 2 square up to n square. That will become summation n square, and plus 4 common into sigma n, and plus 1 plus मैंने कुछ गलती की यहाँ पे क्या? This should be 1 only, na? Because here it was 1, so here also it will be 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be n. Huh? Is it right, friends? Well, I hope it should be right. बता दीजिएगा please. You can recheck. Now I'm going to put the value of these sigma n square, and then this will become n plus 1 whole to power 4 minus 1 is equal to 4 sigma n cube. Sigma n cube value I will find, so this as it is to be kept, plus 6 into sigma n square I have ln plus 1, 2n plus 1 whole upon 6. Okay, this is plus 4 sigma n. Sigma n also I have plus n. Simplify. So this will become 4 sigma n cube is equal to n plus 1 whole to power 4 minus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus 2n plus 1 minus 1 minus n minus common n plus 1. This is. And now this we have to simplify. I think n plus 1 can be taken common. So let us take common n plus 1, and this will become n plus 1 common. In the bracket, I'll have n plus 1 whole cube minus n plus 1 out. So 2n square minus n minus 2n minus 1. N plus 1 gone out. And I'm going to open n plus 1 whole cube. So n cube plus 1 plus 3n square plus 3n minus 2n minus 3n minus 1. 3n get cancelled. 1 get cancelled. And it remains n cube plus n. And this is 4 summation n cube. So summation n cube is equal to whole upon 4. This much whole upon 4. I can take n common. So friends, how much this was? N square actually. Students, all well, just check. Is this right, students? Students, please check everything is right. Or I have made any error. N cube plus 1 plus 3n square plus 3n minus 2n square it should be. Then plus n square it should be. Then n square common. Then n plus 1 into n plus 1 whole upon 4. So this is, yes, this is my final formula. Sigma n cube is, I can write it nn plus 1 whole by 2 to whole square. So here I receive my sigma n cube formula that I can note separately, that summation n cube is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. And this formula is n plus 1 whole by 2 to whole square. Correct? This is. So these are the 3 formula. And as I say always to you people, that please keep writing the things. Till now we have discussed 3 formula, summation n, right? These formula are going to be used in the exercise. And proof was interesting, bit different. That's why we discussed proof, right? It is given in your textbook also. So if at all any doubt is there in writing, you can refer your textbook. There also it is given. Now let us get ready to solve our exercise. Perhaps exercise 9.4. Which exercise, students? Let me open also in my book. Yeah, this is. Yes. Now somebody be ready to read the next question. Sonakshi, can you read the next question? First question of exercise 9.4. Sonakshi. Sonakshi, are you listening me? Sonakshi, Renia, or Satyanarayan, or Deepal? Any one of these 3? Satyanarayan is active. Yes. Question 1, please read. Of 9.4.
So 1 into 2.
Yes, Satyanarayan. I request everyone to be ready with their exercise.
1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5.
In beginning, in beginning one question is written. First read that line, what we have to do.
Find the sum of n terms of each of the series in exercise 1 to 7.
Yes, so what is that first one?
1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus so on.
That's it. Is it?
Yes, sir.
N terms, there are n terms, it is also given. I have to find out sum of first n terms. So in all the questions of this is a special series whose first factors, if you see, they form an AP and second factors are also forming an AP. So this is a special series. In all the questions of this exercise, there is a first step. First step is to get the nth term. So let us all find out nth term, term n. Term n will also have two factors. First factor will be the nth term of first factor sequence, 1, 2, 3, and etc. What is the nth term of this sequence? So easy to guess. What should be the nth term, students? I request students to participate. When I'm asking, throwing the question to you, catch it and respond. What is the nth term to it, to this sequence? 1, 2, 3 up to n?
N.
N it is. N it is. Then how to get second factor? What should be the second factor, students? What should be the second factor, students? If you see, the second factor is one more than the first factor every time. So here also it should be n plus 1.
n plus 1.
N plus 1 it should be. Step 1 is to get another term. Done. Step 2 is to multiply it completely. We want in polynomial form. So completely you multiply. Because we are going to use summation n square, summation n formula. So we have to write in multiplied form. This is step 2. Step 3 is that note that sum of n terms will be summation of term n, where n is running from 1 to n. So this will be t1 plus t2 plus t3 up to tn. That is nothing but summation tn. Now what can be done? Tn value you keep, and this summation symbol is distributive. So distribute it. This will become summation n square plus summation n, and the formula that you have, summation n square and summation n, you substitute. What should I do next, students? Your suggestion, what should I do next? We have to simplify. So how to simplify? Best way is take common. Instead of, we can multiply also, but common मतलब ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखता है, अलग-अलग सारे factors थोड़ा simplified दिखता है. So take common. We will try to take common maximum. Multiplication should be the last step. जब कोई भी option ना हो. So let us take common. What is common available here? The common is n plus 1 whole upon 6. 2 है तो मैं 6 ले लेता हूँ जिससे denominator में ना है. And n plus 1 whole upon 6 I have taken common. 2n plus 1 will remain. Yeah. Then 6 I have taken common, so inside the bracket 3 will be there. Okay. 6 by 2, 3 will be there. So this will become n plus 1 and 2n plus 4 whole upon 6 and 2 common and cancelled. So my final answer will be n plus 1 n plus 2 whole upon 3. 2 common and cancelled from denominator. So check the answer, students. Akash, Patsendia and Sheikh Yasmin. Any one of these two. Will you read the next question? Akash, are you listening me? Akash.
Yes, sir.
Akash is not responding. It is not good, my dear. Sheikh Yasmin, will you read the next second question?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Find the sum to n terms of each of the series in exercise 1 to 7.
Yes.
Second part.
Yes.
1 into 2
Yes.
into 3 plus 2
Yes.
into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4
Yes, yes, keep speaking.
into 5 plus so on.
Okay. So Yasmin, can you suggest me what should be its nth term? Can you suggest me what should be its nth term? Huh? What should be its nth term, students? So nth term also will have three factors. है ना? What three factors? Huh? Can someone from C say yes? Yes. What should be the nth
n
term? Hmm.
n into n plus 1 into n plus 2.
Yes, because first factors, if you see 1, 2, 3, इनका आप रफ में nth term निकाल लो, निकालने की this is an AP, निकालने की जरूरत नहीं, this is n only. Its nth term is n. So first factor I have written. Next factor is just one more than the first factor, n plus 1, and just one more than this is the third one, n plus 2. This is nth term. What next I should do, students? What next should I do? बोलो बोलो. Energy. I expect energy from your side. Switch on my mic and tell. What should I do next?
इसको सॉल्व करके क्वेश्चन लगा देंगे.
Solve. क्या मतलब multiply है. Okay. तो multiply करने जा
Yes
रहा
sir.
हूँ. तो multiply करता हूँ. N square plus 3n plus 2 it will be. And if I multiply, it will be n cube plus 3n square plus 2n multiplied. And the next step is that summation n can be written, Sn can be written as summation Tn. And this will become like this. Correct. उसके बाद का वर्क वही है जो हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में किया. क्या कि हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है दिस समेशन साइन, एंड दिस विल बिकम समेशन n क्यूब plus 3. Constant can be taken out of summation sign. So summation 3n square means 3 summation n square. So like this. Similarly, 2 out, sigma n. Now you have the value of these formula. Sigma n is cube, sigma n square, sigma n. वो रहा. Substitute the value. This will become nn plus 1 whole by 2 to whole square plus 3 summation n square is n plus 1 2n plus 1 whole upon 6 plus 2 sigma n is n plus 1 whole by 2. And now this can be solved. What is common, students? Common ले लेते हैं.
n into n plus 1 upon
अपॉन
2.
2 कॉमन है. 2 यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ मिसिंग है. कोई बात नहीं, हम ले लेंगे कॉमन, है ना. और ही ले लेता हूँ. देखता हूँ n plus 1 common inside the bracket, it will be n plus 1 whole upon 2 square means 4, कुछ भी upon में कुछ भी common नहीं है, तो upon 4 plus this is going to be n plus 1 out, 2n plus 1 whole upon 2 plus n plus 1 out, so 1. Now upon 4 out, n plus 1 whole upon 4. Inside the bracket, you will have n square plus n plus 2, 2's are 4 plus 2, 4n plus 2 plus 4. This is, I have taken LCM 4. So this you'll get. Now simplify, n plus 1 whole upon 4, and in the bracket it will become 2n square. No, it will be n only. N square plus n, this will be n only. So this is going to be n square plus 5n plus 6. Tell me the factorization of this n square plus 5n plus 6, students. इतना भी क्या धीर
n
गंभीर
square
की छोटे छोटे फैक्टर्स के जवाब ही नहीं देने. बताओ फटाफट इसका क्या.
n2
हाँ नहीं, फाइनल
n square plus
फाइनल
2n plus 3n plus 6.
yes, final factorization will be this, and that's it. That's it, है ना. Perfect, final answer. You can check, students. Or students, मोमेंटम बड़ी चीज है। ये जो कमी है, जो मुझे लूप होल दिख रहा है कि मैंने इधर से क्वेश्चन फेंका और उधर से आपने कैच किया, लेकिन जोश नहीं आया कि चलो स्विच ऑन करके रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं। मोमेंटम, एनर्जी बड़ी चीज है, वो सिर्फ फील की जा सकती है, तो वो बनाने से बनती है ना। तो ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आर रिक्वेस्टेड कि एनर्जाइज्ड एंड व्हेन आई एम आस्किंग रिस्पॉन्ड, है ना। एंड वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, कीप सॉल्विंग विद मी। आई होप कि सभी लोग अपनी नोटबुक्स में सॉल्व कर रहे होंगे। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, है ना। ये मैं सोचा कि अभी समझ लेते हैं कि घर पे हम बाद में करेंगे। दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कैन बी सीन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। somebody question number 3, Netra, will you read question number 3? Netra, can you read question number 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Netra, are you solving? Notebook पे solve कर रही हो ना?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Question number 3, please tell. सुभाषिनी, अपना माइक ऑफ कर लीजिए। Yes, Netra. Netra, I think it's taking time. Okay, I'll go for next question. I'll ask next from her. Somebody else from C section. Ambika Shringi, can you read the next question? Ambika, Deepak or Devansh? No response. Ambika, Deepak or Devansh? Is there anyone active? Bad. They are not active. Rahul Mahajan. Ambika, can you read the next question? Ambika is writing a chat message. Ambika, can you read the next question? No. Tanmay Meena will read. Tanmay must be active. Tanmay, you are so nice. So nice. Yes. Can you read the next question? Devansh is also sending a chat. Devansh and Ambika, mic working or not? Devansh and Ambika, because they are sending chat message. I can see that they are there, but they are not able to send audio. Please work on your audio. That also should be good. Tanmay, question number 3. 3. ओके, तो इसका रफ में मैं लिख लेता हूं फर्स्ट फैक्टर का सीक्वेंस 3, 5, 7। इसका nth टर्म अलग निकालता हूं। इसका nth टर्म कैसे निकालेंगे? दिस इज एन एपी, और एपी का nth टर्म होता है a प्लस आर माइनस 1 इंटू डी। क्या 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 क्या? a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी। दिस इज गोइंग टू बी nth टर्म, इसका हो जाएगा 3 प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी। कितना है यहाँ पे? 2। So this will become 3 plus 3 plus 2n minus 2. तो कितना? तो हो जाएगा 2n plus 1, है ना। तो मैंने अलग से निकाल लिया रफ में। यहाँ पे मैं डायरेक्ट लिखता हूँ टर्म n of this series will have 2 factors and first factor will be 2n plus 1. Next, what should be the next factor? 1 square, then 2 square, n square. So easy to guess. बस nth टर्म लिख लिया तो मतलब मैंने 50% वर्क मेरे हो गया, यहाँ 50% वर्क हो गया, ऐसे मानते हैं। nth टर्म इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। वंस यू have written nth term, then it is only the game of these formula and simplifying. That's it. So after this step, we used to multiply it. 2n cube plus n square, and then Sn will become summation Tn, means summation 2n cube plus n square. Okay, and distribute summation sign. So this will become 2 sigma n cube plus sigma n square. Okay, now let us put the value of sigma n cube and sigma n square. And then this will become as n will become 2 sigma n cube is n square n plus 1 square whole upon 4 plus sigma n square is n plus 1 2n plus 1 whole upon 6. Okay, so 2 say 2, 4 cancel, so it remains 2. N common, n plus 1 common, and बाकी बाद में देखता हूँ. So how much will remain inside, friend? How much? N out, n plus 1 out. So inside the bracket, n into n plus 1 whole upon 2 as it is, plus 2n plus 1 whole upon 6. Now let us take LCM. LCM will be 6. So n plus 1 whole upon 6. And this will be 3n square plus 3n plus 2n plus 1. And then this will become n plus 1, 3n square plus 5n plus 1 whole upon 6. I don't think this is right. Check the answer, students. Check the answer, students, and tell me, is this right? For third question. Students, is this factor further factorizable? 3n square plus 5n plus 1. Is this
No,
factorizable?
sir.
नहीं ना, क्योंकि इसका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट जो है वो इसका इसको नहीं, नेगेटिव तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन इरेशनल फैक्टर्स आएंगे, इसके इरेशनल रूट्स आ सकते हैं, है ना. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई एम नॉट सो मच हैप्पी विद सी सेक्शन बिकॉज दे आर नॉट replying when I am asking questions. Pooja Kumari from C section, can you read the next question? Pooja Kumari, can you read the next question? I'm waiting for your reply, Pooja Kumari. It is very bad. They are not listening. They are not active. Adhyan Sharma, Kartik Verma, Kartik Srivastava. Kartik Verma or Kartik Srivastava. Is there anyone active? This is very bad. They are not listening. Soumya Bharadwaj or Rajesh Verma? Are you active? Soumya Bharadwaj or Rajesh Verma? Rajesh is there. Rajesh, can you read the next question? Question number 4. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is, yes. Correct. Anything else? Nth term given? That's it? Okay. So students, first of all, what should be the nth term of it? Huh? nth term इसका क्या होना चाहिए? Yes, 1 upon n into n plus 1. 1 and 2, then 3. So nth वाले में भी n होगा यहाँ पे, and the next factor will be just one more there. It's super simple. But point is that if you write Sn equal to sigma t n like this, if you do, you cannot send sigma in denominator. This is problem. तो इसके बाद का रास्ता जो है वो blocked है. There is no way after this. तो यहाँ से तो नहीं जाएंगे. So this is not the way actually. This is different. This question is different from others. So after this notable thing is that sigma symbol you cannot send in denominator and numerator में तो 1 है वहाँ पे कुछ distribute करने के लिए है नहीं. In fact, this fraction also you cannot split. You cannot write like 1 upon n square plus 1 upon n. वैसे भी नहीं लिख सकते. So yes, any suggestion? Yes. Can yes, Mohammed Abid, you want to say something? Yeah. Or anyone? Any suggestion? Yes. Somebody, anyone can tell if you have something to say. How to solve it? हाँ, उसे ठीक क्या? कैसे? Tell me what. बताओ मैं क्या लिखूं? हाँ, this will work. This will work. Yes, Tanmay, no? Tanmay, you are. Yes, this will work. अभी इसमें मुझे क्या है कि कुछ स्पेशल अप्रोच अप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी. So arrangement only, bit artistic, right? So as he is suggesting that this one you write 2 minus 1 and then make two fractions, and this one you write 3 minus 1 and make two fractions. This will work. So this series 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 ज्यादा लेंथी नहीं है क्वेश्चन, लेकिन डिफरेंट है बाकियों से. तो इसके लिए कुछ डिफरेंट अप्रोच अप्लाई की. This one you should write 2 minus 1 and this is 3 minus 2, and अब मेरा प्लान आप समझ चुके होंगे कि two terms we are going to make now in next system, and similarly this will become n plus 1 minus n whole upon n plus 1. Now split and make two terms. 2 upon 1 into 2 will be 1 into minus 1 upon 2. Plus this will be 1 upon 2 minus 2 to cancel 1 upon 3. Okay. Plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 plus etc. plus 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus 1. And now it can be simplified easily because some terms are getting cancelled. What? Minus half cancelled with the next one, plus half. Minus 1 by 3 will be cancelled with 1 by 3, etc. And similarly 1 by n will be cancelled with the previous term. So finally what will remain? 1 will remain and minus 1 upon n plus 1 will remain. Check the answer, students. Is this right answer? I hope it should be the right answer. So please check it and let us get ready for the next question. Next question is question number fifth one. Yes, Netra. Now can you read question number 5? Netra, can you read question number 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 5th. What is that?
5 square plus
Yes.
6 square plus
Hmm.
7 square plus till 20 square.
Okay. Netra, you suggest how to do it. Any suggestion you have? Yes, Netra. How to do it? बताइए. Anyone else? Any suggestion, friends? Goodies? How to solve it? I have. हाँ? निकाल लिया, चलो फिर उसके बाद समेशन एन निकाल लो. हाँ ठीक है, निकाल लिया. फिर समेशन एन निकाल लिया, उसके बाद हाँ, और इसमें तो 20 स्क्वायर तक ले जाना है ना मुझे. बोलिए. हाँ, Tn इज इक्वल टू, वो कैसे लाए आप? 5, 6, 7. इसका nth टर्म विल बी 5 प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू 1. तो 5 प्लस n माइनस 1, तो n प्लस 4 होगा Tn. तो Tn इज n प्लस 4 होल स्क्वायर. ओके, एग्रीड, नो प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट. Then I have to find its Sn, correct? Students, what next? Should I find Sn? I'm not getting. Students, बोलो. क्या करूं मैं, बताइए. Sn निकाल लें. Sn तो मुझे इसको पूरा एक्सपेंड करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, क्या एक्सपेंड कर दिया, फिर अब क्या करूं मैं? तो Sn will be summation n square plus 8 summation n plus 16 into summation 1. This will become. So after that, what should I do? Friend, what should I do? Suggest, friends. सिग्मा n स्क्वायर कर मैंने वैल्यू में पुट कर दी. अब मैं क्या करूं, कोई मुझे सजेस्ट करे. What next should I do, friends? Suggest. है ना, सिग्मा 1 will be n, है ना, ध्यान रहे. What next should I do? हाँ, n equal to ये कौन, this will be which nth term? हाँ, 20 will be equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 1. So 20 is equal to n plus 4. So n is equal to how much? ये 16th term होगा. So I think I should put 16. Correct is it? (16 into 2), 32 plus 1, 33 upon 6 plus 4 into 16 into 17 plus 16 into 16. So it is going to be a big calculation. You can calculate it and get your answer. All the students, please simplify this calculation yourself, है ना. तो मैं ऐसे भी सोच रहा था कि पहले 1 क्यूब 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर इसमें ऐड कर देते हैं, तो फिर 1 से लेके 20 स्क्वायर तक का फॉर्मूला बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला यू कैन गेट, देन सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं 1 स्क्वायर से लेके 4 स्क्वायर तक. मैं ऐसे सोच रहा था, बट आई थिंक दिससे भी आंसर परफेक्टली आ जाएगा. थोड़ी सी कैलकुलेशन है तो हो ही जाएगी. तो सभी फ्रेंड्स इसको कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए एंड get your answer. Right. Let us see the next question. Pranjal Nahar, will you read the next question? Perhaps 6th. Pranjal Nahar, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Pranjal, 6th question.
Yes, sir. 3 multiplied by 8 plus 6 multiplied by 11 plus 9 multiplied by 14 plus so on.
Pranjal, you only tell me that what should be its nth term. Nine into 14, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now can you suggest that what should be its nth term? What should be its nth term? I'm not going to discuss it, but just I'm asking nth term and then I will conclude this class, today's class. हाँ, रंजन बताओ इसका nth term कैसे निकालेंगे? हाँ, let's see, we have to find the nth term of 3, 6, 9, है ना? And then we have to find this is just 5 more than this, am I right? So what should be its nth term? 3n, I think. So this will be 3n into 3n plus 5. That's it, right? So thank you, students, for attending this class, and please mark your presence. And this exercise, some remaining questions will continue in the next class. Thank you so very much. Bye bye. Yes.